Unscrew cap underneath the tank and fill it with water. Place the water tank on top of the bottom body, followed by the mist spray mouth. When this button is pressed, humidifier begins to work and the operating indicator will light up. Press it twice for unit to stop. This button allows you to choose the mist capacity, ranging between high, middle, to low level. This button allows you to adjust moisture level. When pressed, the indicator will increase in steps of 5% starting from 20%. If ambient moisture has reached user selected rate, the mist indicator will flash on the screen and automatically stop working. When Ionizer button is pressed, a tree icon will appear on the screen. Press again if you would like to switch this function off. User can select between 1 to 19 hours to switch off humidifier. Use white vinegar and mixed with water to surface the generating disc. Then allow to rest between 4 to 5 minutes before cleaning with a soft clean brush.